Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nexa. I hope you're all doing well, all fine. Today, I'm with a great topic, which is that if you want to learn uh, coding or you want to be a programmer, then what are the best YouTube free channels? Actually, YouTube always provide you everything for free. But if you don't want to learn it from any other platform like Coursera, Udemy, Udacity, ADX, etc., etc., so you obviously want to learn it from YouTube, then I have listed down four different channels, so from which I have also learned a lot: coding, programming, Android app development, and a lot of other skills that I've learned. You can use them to learning programming. So one of first of them is Programming with Mosh, which is a great channel. They have a lot of videos, bunch of videos with that you can use to learn anything like Node.js, React Native, JavaScript, HTML, web development, databases, MySQL, and all a lot of other things. They have 3.55 million subscribers and 177 videos, right? And on number two is Code with Harry. This is my favorite. This is an Indian YouTuber who has 4.5 million subscribers, 2100 videos, and he provided me value uh, content, and everybody likes him because I and a lot of other programmers learned a lot from this channel with from this YouTuber, and this is the great channel that you can just watch the videos and you can learn a lot. And he also has uploaded a lot of courses on Python, JavaScript, and HTML, CSS, and this is great channel, right? And number three is Apna College, which is also an Indian channel. It has 4.36 million subscribers, 770 videos they have uploaded on YouTube. And there's also a great channel on Java, HTML, and a lot of other technologies and a lot of other languages. So this also can be good for you to learn programming and coding or web development or anything. And number four is Shriyan Coding School. This is also an Indian channel which has 179k subscribers, but this channel has expertise in CSS, in HTML, tailwind CSS, and this, if you wanna watch this channel, then you will learn a lot in CSS. Like you can see, he has uploaded a lot of shorts on CSS, and you can say different filters, and he introduces new things in HTML, CSS. So if you wanna learn CSS especially from this channel, then this is the best channel for you. So that was it. If you want to learn more about coding, programming, and any other technical problems or errors you are facing, you can comment us, and you can learn a lot from us. Thanks for watching.